Hanway Metal Products Company Limited was established in 2005, specialized in aluminum, brass die casting, stamping, and precision machining. Hanway uses CAD, Pro-E, SolidWorks to design the molds and perform mold flow analysis to ensure the viability of the pouring system. Hanway has 7 advanced 180 to 500 tons cold chamber die casting machines, all equipped with full automatic spray, extractor, ladder, conveyor, and trim die machines. Die casting process is aluminum alloy liquid under high pressure into the mold cavity, after cooling and curing to form a casting. Hanway commonly uses 6 types of aluminum ingots, but also in accordance with the requirements of other customers to increase the production of other type aluminum ingots. Multi-station automatic grinding reduces workers' labor intensity and improves grinding efficiency. In addition to retaining the traditional drilling and tapping, Hanway, in order to improve production efficiency, increases the multi-axis machining, while on the production line semi-automatic and fully automated improvements. Hanway has a wealth of precision CNC machining technology experience, including short-term and prototype processing, to undertake large quantities of precision CNC machining. In 2017, Hanway gradually expanded its CNC machining line and at the same time promotes the introduction of lean production, which greatly increased the production efficiency. Burrs removed during the tumbling and blasting. Sometimes handwork helps to have a perfect surface. Ultrasonic cleaning line can remove the surface of the stains and processing residues as much as possible. Powder coating of different colors not only makes the product have perfect appearance, but also increases the corrosion resistance of the product in outdoor and harsh environments. From the beginning of storage, Hanway's strict management of the use of raw materials, analysis of conventional chemical composition of raw materials, and products to ensure consistency of materials. We keep FAI, IQC, IPQC, and FQC during our production all the time. ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality system makes the production quality maintained a high level. Hanway has a professional sales team, quick response, and high efficient service. Will help customers to win the market.
The structure of this product is very complex, with many deep ribs on the high bosses. The tolerance of the inner hole is very tight and zero porosity is requested, so a high precision slide will be on the top, which will go across the inner hole. This product has many ribs and different wall thickness, which is very easy to cause shrinkage and deform. So the tooling design will think about to add more slides to resolve the material shortage and other casting defects. It requires high precision on machining, roughness on the concentration, flightness, panelism, and verticality.
This part needs two snides, since there are several rivets and snides to resolve material shortage and defects which are made by cold mold. Also, as for this part with big size, it needs flatness 0.1 and assemble with other components well, avoid to be deformed. For this 19 heatsink product, we can say there are several thinner and crisscross rivets, deeper and thinner. Here, there are more than 48 across windows with different sizes. So, for this product, we need 2 inclined cylinder snides, 1 non-inclined guide post snide. These 3 big snides help to push out the product effectively without deform. This part is a big one which needs 1,500 tons machine. We need to make 3 cylinder snides while manufacturing the mold. For this part, the wall thickness from 2.5 mm to 30 mm. There are several rivets with deeper groove. Our design with mold flow by optimizing pour system, available cooling mold to solve the heat balance problem in order to avoid casting defects.